Have you seen these LinkedIn profiles with tens of thousands of followers? Next time you look at one, check out the amount of likes or comments they have in that post. Most of the time, it's single-digit likes and almost no engagement. Quantity does not mean quality. Profiles with followers without engagement are worthless. It's worse to have followers who are irrelevant to your content than having no followers at all. In this episode, I unpack 8 ways to boost your personal brand on LinkedIn with an engaging follower base so you can become a figure of authority in your space. Intro. What's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. I'm Alexej and I help founders scale. I have grown my own following on the platform to over 20,000 followers, received 5 million views on one post, and received the top voice badge in B2B marketing strategy. LinkedIn helped me to grow my business, it helped me to acquire another business, and the platform helped me to recruit multiple of our top hires. In this episode, I'm going to share with you 8 ways to boost your personal brand on LinkedIn. These are all tactics I have used myself and still using, and that helped me to grow and experience much of success on the platform. If you're new to this channel, I focus on scaling businesses and how to be a high-performance leader. If you're excited to dive into the first strategy, go ahead and press that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now, to start with the 8 ways to boost your personal brand on LinkedIn, let's kick off with the first one: mastering the art of content curation. You don't necessarily need to focus on crafting entirely new content from scratch. Instead, focus on reshaping what you've already absorbed, be it insights from a recent industry book, Twitter posts, or nuggets of wisdom from a podcast, or even YouTube, and tailor it specifically for your LinkedIn audience. This approach isn't just about sharing content, but showcasing your authority and solidifying your place in the industry. I'm also a big fan of just documenting what I do and write it as a post on LinkedIn. The key is to think about content creation in the form of 3 distinct pillars: expertise, achievements, and an ask or call to action. So you should publish 3 posts about your expertise that showcase your deep industry knowledge or learnings, and that's where documentation of your tasks and objectives come in handy. You should publish 1 post about your personal achievements, demonstrating your success and value, and you should also post 1 where you might ask people to subscribe to your newsletter, download something, or some other call to action. By following these pillars, you ensure you have a good variety and standard of content on your profile, which is also vital for making connections. Next up, let's unlock the secret sauce to generating leads like a pro, creating lead magnets and providing lots of value. We're talking about high-value content pieces. Think Notion page snapshots, infographics, or any visual that shows some deep content which people want to download. In order to download that Excel model, the audience needs to interact with your post, like leaving a comment. Leaving comments in the post and likes trigger the algorithm and make LinkedIn show this post to a much wider audience. Now let me share a slice of my own journey. I once dropped a post that generated 5 million views. This was a piece on how I raised $4 million plus from non-VCs, and I shared my list of investors via list on Notion. In order to get that actual list, people had to comment. When they commented, they received an automatic link to a page collecting the email before they could download the list of investors. Now, as you can see from this post, that way not only got me 5+ million views, 21,000 likes, and 15 comments, but also a solid base for my newsletter I then started. On that note, please go to alexejpikovsky.com and leave your email so you can get my weekly newsletter there. Another example of a successful lead magnet is our SEO Checklist, which a lot of head of content professionals ended up downloading, thus leaving us with their email. So if you like to have that one, the link is in the description below. My third recommendation is to post consistently. Let's dive into the rhythm of success on LinkedIn, the magic of posting frequency. But how often should you post? Aim for the sweet spot of 3 to 5 times a week. This cadence keeps you on the radar without overwhelming your audience. However, if that sounds like a marathon, remember, even posting once a week beats silence. The key is consistency. Why does this matter? Regular posts keep your profile active and engaging, ensuring you're always part of the conversation. So mark your calendar, set a schedule, and commit to do it. If you need help with coming up with content, strategy, and even writing the content on your behalf, please check out our ghostwriting service in the link below. You can book a call with us to see if there's a right fit. Now, having gone through the first 3 strategies in boosting your personal brand via LinkedIn, I wanted to share a personal note with you again. I like to focus on one platform rather than trying to scale myself on all platforms at once, like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit, etc. While I do have quite a few followers on Twitter, and now I'm trying to build up a following on YouTube, I first concentrated on reaching over 10,000 followers on LinkedIn and ensured I had everything in place to keep growing before expanding to other platforms. And when executed well, your LinkedIn profile can be a hugely effective platform for boosting your personal brand, and you might not even need another platform. Today, I have 22,000 followers on LinkedIn and counting, so I do continue to invest in LinkedIn as well. Now, the next step is build a reputation in one niche first before you go broader. Carve out your niche on LinkedIn by becoming the undisputed authority in a specific area before broadening your horizon. The key? Start with what you excel at and ensure it's something that ignites your passion. By focusing sharply on a niche, you position yourself as the go-to expert, which is crucial for building a solid foundation on LinkedIn. However, the art lies in selecting a niche that, while specific, has a broad appeal as well. Since I wanted to build an authority in the B2B SaaS space, I posted regularly on LinkedIn Pulse, which then earned me the B2B Digital Marketing Voice badge as well. More on top voice badges later in this video. Now, if you learned something from that video already, please leave a yes in the comment section below. Moving on to an often overlooked aspect of your LinkedIn strategy, optimizing your profile picture. This is a super low-hanging fruit. It's about crafting a visual first impression that speaks volumes about your professional brand. Select a high-quality, recent photo where your face takes up 60-70% of the frame. Ensure the background is clean and uncluttered, and opt for professional clothing that matches the expectations of your industry. A smile goes a long way in making you appear approachable and friendly, 2 key traits that encourage connections. The next one is optimizing your banner. This space at the top of your profile is prime real estate for branding and messaging. Optimizing your banner means transforming it into a billboard that broadcasts your professional identity and aspirations. To leverage it effectively, your banner should visually articulate what you want to be known for. Now that we have talked about optimizing our profile picture and banner, it's time to consider the profile as a whole. Every section should showcase your expertise and attract the right audience, leading to increased visibility, connections, and opportunities. For instance, your experience section is your opportunity to narrate your professional journey and showcase your expertise. Be specific about your achievements and how they've contributed to your field. In the About section, adopt a conversational tone, as if speaking directly to someone. This approach makes your profile more relatable and initiates a personal connection with your audience. Skills endorsements and recommendations serve as a social proof of your expertise and reinforce your professional credibility. Actively seek endorsements and recommendations that highlight your key strengths and areas you wish to be known for. And remember, just like with the banner, throughout the rest of your profile, you should incorporate brand elements and language that reflect your industry and the value you offer. Now, before I cover my last strategy, please hit that like button. So, last but not least, drum rolls please. Add your LinkedIn profile where you have traffic. Rounding off our list at number 8 is a strategy that bridges your LinkedIn presence with your broader digital footprint. Integrating your LinkedIn profile across your online platforms. Strategically place your LinkedIn profile link anywhere you have traffic. For example, your website, your newsletter, your guest posts, YouTube, podcast descriptions, and within any other profiles of yours out there. This tactic leverages traffic from other sources, funneling visitors and potential followers towards your LinkedIn, thereby expanding your professional network. Now, as a bonus tip, aim for the top voice badge on LinkedIn. It will supercharge your follower count. The LinkedIn Top Voice Badge is a recognition awarded to those who significantly contribute to and engage with the community, marking them as influential thought leaders within the industry. Contrary to popular belief, earning isn't as daunting as it seems. It can be accomplished with focused effort of just less than half an hour a week. The key lies in the actively contributing to collaborative articles and discussions, especially those with few existing contributions. And then getting lots of likes on your comments gets you the badge. When you contribute, ensure your reactions and comments are insightful and add real value to the conversation. Before we finish off, an interesting video you might want to check out is my top 10 ways how to build a network. The link is below. One more quick recap of the points we covered. So on position 1, curate good content. Number 2, create lead magnets providing lots of value. Number 3, post consistently. Number 4, build a reputation in one niche first before you go broader. Number 5, optimize your profile picture. Number 6, optimize your banner. Number 7, optimize your profile. And number 8, add your LinkedIn profile where you have traffic. Think of enhancing your LinkedIn presence like crafting a signature dish. Each strategy is an ingredient that, when combined just right, creates a standout profile. Feeling more confident on how to make the most of LinkedIn? Reach out in the link below if you want us to help you grow on LinkedIn. Our clients include authors, tech founders, agency owners, corporate executives, and coaching professionals. I drop an episode like this with strategies and concepts once a week. Please hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you'll get notified every single time I release an episode. I want to help as many people become high-performance leaders. So thank you for joining me on this journey. I'm Alexej, and I will see you in the next episode.